Yeah, it warmed up to about 10 degrees. So I had to come and get some stuff and pay my T-Mobile bill, but people. Well, I can go this way. Yeah. Yes, I go this way. With my low bonesy tires. Run them a little low because, yeah, there's some shitty weather out here. Yeah, to all you people that bitched at Mother Nature for not having snow, we're gonna get it. So yeah, we got about 3 inches the last time, and then we're supposed to get 6 to something, over 6 inches coming. Yeah, there's 6 inches. Yeah, sidewalks, I don't even know if any of them are done. Not really. Yeah, I don't know if any of them are really done. Gotta watch out for people because they're all stupid and don't know how to drive. At least in my opinion. Yes, I'm doing my usual, well, paying bills. And grabbing stuff for the cold weather that's coming. Yeah, 7 days of negative. Yeah, 7 days of negative weather. I should have the green pretty soon. Yeah, 7. Yeah, 7 days of fuck. 7 days, huh? 7 days of shit. Go where the other fat bike went. Yeah. Well, it happens when they don't. Yes, I got brakes. Use the back brake until I have to grab the front. That's just the way it works. Not the only one going on a semi-shitty day to go pay bills. Yeah. Not the only one. I'll be back in a minute. You guys don't need to see all this shit. Well, that was a quick in and out. So yeah, it's nice when your bill comes up on your phone, so I don't have to have paper, you know. The only thing I get paper on is my rent. I need proof. Don't need proof of my phone. Now what's the best way? I'm going to Quick Trip. I don't want to be in the water, you know. That's the only bad thing about it, getting up above like 10 degrees. Cars melt. Well, salt and everything melts the road. Yeah, melts the road. And then it gets nasty. Yeah, it's nasty everywhere. Cops, cops, cops. Nice. Everywhere. And I have no sidewalks to run on. No sidewalks to run on. People. The hell's that buzzing sound? Not me. I know, might have been the bus. Get across the road before fucking people. Nasty. Yeah, nasty. Try not to cover the damn GoPro. Tilt you down a little bit. You gotta run the roads, you gotta run the back roads. So I can't run on Division. No, I can't. Move over and let him go. Technically, I don't have to. Fuck. I don't have to be nice. No, I don't. They don't want to run the slick shit, neither do I. Go. That's what I don't like about cars. Some days, I just don't. Still a chilly, chilly friggin' day. Not downright cold. I'm going with the wind. So, yeah, I'm going with the wind. Yeah. Get on the sidewalk for a minute. Some of them are done. In front of a church. Yeah, in front of a church. I don't even know. there's an alley up here. I have no clue. All I'm trying to do is keep my camera clean, trying to make a decent video, show the shitty wipeout stuff that you can get into. We'd rather go slower than fast because it's sketchy. Yeah, sketchy. Sketchy. Yeah, I don't want to try to cut through. Yeah. Well, everything smells good over here anyway. The end is open. Nice. Look at all the salt that they put down for ice. Thank God my bike is made out of aluminum. Yeah, aluminum. Didn't want a bike that was gonna rust. Alright, I'll give you a second. Yeah, I'm only showing you my ride home because the trip around would have been way too long. Nobody wants to watch a fucking hour of, over an hour of me playing in the damn snow on an e-bike. Yeah, nobody. Yeah, nobody. Yeah. Now trying to get home is the fun part because half the sidewalks ain't done, half the fucking roads ain't done. And on top of this, tonight at 9 o'clock, we're gonna get like 8 inches of snow. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Yeah. Gonna be exciting. For who? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know for who. No, but all you, yeah. I never bitched about not getting snow. I didn't care. Somebody did. So Mother Nature listened. Mother Nature's like, hey, telling me you didn't get no snow. I'll give you snow. I won't only give you snow, I'll give you freezing cold. Yeah, freezing cold weather. It happens, I guess. So sometimes, like they say, don't ask. You might get what you ask for. Yeah. Oh. I'm debating. Yeah, debating. Cut across here. Oh shit. Nissan. Nissan. Coming in quick. It's boogie oogie oogie. Yeah, I think my sensor's all covered. Yeah, my sensor's all covered. Sketchy. Oh shit. Fucking half done. Oh, this is nasty. Nasty. Yeah, nasty, nasty, nasty. Yeah, I don't know what the best way to go is. Yeah, I don't. Carry it across, I guess. Yeah, I'll be going after the other turn lane. Yeah, the other turn lane. Come on, give them the fucking turn. Go. There they go. Jesus. My fingers are gonna freeze. My fingers are gonna freeze. Yeah. Thank you. Coming. Oh shit. People are coming this way. People are going that way. Go. 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 Shit. Head time. They had time, but they didn't go. Try not to get hit by a fucking car. Either one of them. Come on. Oh. When I get home, it's getting fucking cold. Or feeling cold. Been out here too long anyway. Nobody coming. If they're coming that fast, they ain't stopping anyway. Yeah, I know I hardly have any distance in this, weather. At least I didn't spatter too much up on my camera. Yeah. On my camera. Here comes the cops. And here comes the cops again. I don't mind. Fuck, I'm just trying to get across the road. Trying to get across the road. Yeah. Yeah, I'm spinning too. Shit happens. Yeah. Not ideal conditions for riding anything or even walking. Walking on a day like this would suck. Yeah. Walking through slush and horrible stuff. What fun would that be? Yeah. What fun would that be? Well, we'll probably have another video in a week, maybe. It's not like you can make anything really exciting, you know, in the winter, the winter in Minnesota anyway. Yeah. It's just this nasty cold, and it's not going to get any better for a while, so yeah. Yeah. I don't even know if I can make it up in my yard right now. I have no idea. I made it down, but can I make it up? No. Put her down too and walk it. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next whatever I do. Have a good one, everybody.